This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Spotify app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna provide you 3 solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first is go to your Google Play Store and search for Spotify. And then when the Spotify have an update, you should be able to update it over here. As you can see, just tap on the update. Then once it is done updating guys, you should be able to use the application. And for the second solution, guys, is just go to your settings. And then here on the settings, just go to the apps. And then once you are on the apps, just find Spotify over here and tap on it. And then after that, go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data, guys. And once it is done, you will be able to use the application. And guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your phone. So first, uninstall the app, and then once it is uninstalled, you can just go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and download it again. And then from there, you will be able to fix the issue on your Spotify app. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!